We'll guide you through how to allow an app to run in the background on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So some apps may need to go and be running in the background to go and fulfill their purpose. We're going to guide you through the settings you need to go and set in order for this to go and be achieved. Make sure it's this full guide to know exactly what you need to do to go and get the outcome that you want. So without any further ado, let's go and get right into this. What we need to do is go and head to the settings. So what you can do is you can go and swipe up, then you can go and swipe across and we can go and find the settings app. You can go and tap search at the top and go and type in the settings to go and find it. Now in here, first of all, let's go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for apps. As you can see here it is. Now we'll need to go and find the app you want to do it with. You can always go and search in the top right. Otherwise you can just go and find it. Let's say I want to do it with Amazon here. This is just an example. When you go and tap on it, scroll down and you want to go and find battery. Then you want to go and set this to unrestricted, like so. If it's gone and set to another one, it can go and be restricted with how it runs in the background. So set it to unrestricted and come back. Next, on the main settings page, we need to go and find battery. So let's go and find it. You can see it's up here. You can always search for it in the top right if needed. Then you can find background usage limits. Switch off, put unused apps to sleep, and go into never auto sleeping apps and tap there. Press the plus in the top right, and then what you want to do is go and select it. As an example, I could just select gallery, then with it selected, of course you can add others as well, press add in the bottom right. Then it's never going to be put to auto sleep, so it should go and keep running. That's it. Of course this will go and use more battery, but it's what you want if you want to go and be running in the background. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.